Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your online status on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. And first of all, we can go to our profile and click on the three lines to open the Instagram setting. Okay, and here we have opened the Instagram setting and activity, and if we want to hide our online status, we have to open the messages and story replies. Okay, and click on show activity status, and here you can turn off your online status. You just need to click on the circle button to turn it off. Okay, and now my online status has been hidden, and that's how we can turn off or hide our online status on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.